up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Halloween has officially come and gone. Today is November 1st, so it is time to undecorate and clean and maybe even talk about putting up Christmas. Let me know in the comments if you're ready to put up your Christmas tree. It's literally like on October 31st, Hocus Pocus, November 1st, the Grinch. I'm ready to undecorate, clean up, because my kids have little spiders everywhere, witch fingers, eyeballs. They're literally all around this house. We still have our fort situation going on. I'm about to break down the fort, break down our garland, take down our tree. I'm gonna bring you guys along and show you how I wrap my glass pieces and how I store them. officially packed up, you guys. Now I just need to get it loaded in my storage space. I'm gonna need my husband to move that out for me. But I got everything packed up, got everything wiped down and clean. Halloween is officially done. We will be seeing Halloween again next year for 2022. Went through lots of movies, lots of Halloween music. Now it is time to decorate for Christmas. That is it for my undecorate and clean with me video. Give this video a big like. You can subscribe right here and leave me a comment down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one.